Hello students, welcomes you at RCI Defence Academy Bansur. It's very fortune for you all that RCI Defence Academy opened in Bansur. Okay friends, my name is Mahesh Singh Shekhar. I have experience of 9 years in various defence academies, Sikar, Jaipur, Chandigarh. Okay friends, now I explain you some examination related to defence, which type of examination conducted by the defence and various entries in armed forces. Okay, first of all I will explain you after 12th it's a dilemma for the parents and students what should we do. Okay, some students go through the IIT JEE, some students go through the other examinations, but a short time, in a short 6 months or 12 months, if you want to job, then it is a very good opportunity for you all that you have to choose the career as a defense aspirant. Okay, now, first of all just I will explain you about NDA. NDA is National Defence Academy. This is a 4-year training and it is a commissioned officer like lieutenant. Okay, first of all this is the opportunity to be an officer in Army, Navy and Air Force. Actually, first of all, if we prepare for the NDA, then we have to a good command over mathematics, physics, English and general knowledge. Okay, and basic the primary key is mathematics. Okay friends, and second one is Navy. Okay, there are 4 type of vacancies in Navy. AA, that is artificer apprentice, SSR senior secondary recruitment, CG, that is coast guard, and MR, that is metric recruitment. Okay, Navy, it is also a great opportunity for the student to select in armed forces. Okay, Air Force, that is X group and Y group. Okay friends, first of all I want to tell you that X group is a technical vacancy and Y group is a non-technical vacancy. Okay, Y group, there are several students, several kind of students having various different subjects can fill the form. Okay, a great confusion between the students and parents is that what is the criteria of NDA, that there must be a PCM student. No, it's not true, because in NDA anybody who is related to commerce, agriculture, biology and mathematics, all students can fill the form. Okay, after that just I will go for Army. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू टेल यू दैट आर्मी जीडी जनरल ड्यूटी सोल्जर, जनरली हम लोग जिसे फौजी कहते हैं गांव में, दैट इज आर्मी जनरल ड्यूटी सोल्जर, दैट इज वैकेंसीज आफ्टर 10th क्लास, एंड आफ्टर दैट आर्मी क्लर्क, after that tradesman, then technical and nursing assistant. If you have good command over physics and mathematics, then you have to fill the form of technical. If you have good English, then you have to fill the form of clerk. And if you have average your subject knowledge and your good command over your physical, okay, you are physically fit and ready to run 1600 meter in 5 minutes, then you fill the form for Army GD general duty soldier. And if you are related to biology in 12th class, then you fill the form of nursing assistant, because this is like just you say a compounder type post. Okay, BSF is also a great opportunity for the students. BSF RO means a radio operator, and BSF RO for border security force में RM means कह सकते हैं recruitment. Okay, mechanical recruitment can say that is a technical post related to. Okay, first of all I want to tell you, if you prepare for one exam NDA, then you go to the selection for 14 vacancies in different platform in defense different examination. Okay friends, this is very good opportunity for you. There are 5 to 7 lecturers are from the Sikar, Jaipur, Chandigarh, now available in RCI Defence Academy Bansur, and it's a great opportunity for you after Corona. It's a very, you can say, dangerous time just past last 5 to 6 months. So now please come and join the Defence Academy. Now take some free lectures, that is demo classes in RCI Defence Academy Bansur. After that you decide that your career. Okay, first of all I want to tell you, it's your choice that you join or not, but please come and join our demo session. We tell you, we explain you how and why you have to join the Defence Academy and armed forces. Okay, so it is a great opportunity for the 12th pass students to join the Defense Academy, and you are great thank you, and I am very thankful to you if you come and join the RCI Defense Academy Bansur.